So guys, we are going to start here by the kitchen to show you the overview of the living room, and then we are going to walk our way over there into the living room itself. So let me start here. There's nothing fall here, but just wanted to show you guys what I have. As you can see, my kitchen in the back, which is very fallish, and the video is going to be coming your way for that. That is my security system with Vivint. This beautiful art wall, which always stays here because I love that color, is from Goodwill. I got really lucky on it. And these decor pieces are from Ross. Usually I have a table right here, but I move my things around, and I'm gonna show you where we are now. Let's go this way. So guys, I'm walking in my living room right here. I just love the color and the pop of orange. Truly like it. So let's start. I'm going to show you what I've done over here. So those two chairs are from American Furniture Warehouse. I love the dark gray with regular gray. That contrast is really nice for me. I like, colors that are very, very muted. That's why I'm so proud of the orange in the house, because usually I won't have that. So my two orange pillows, fall pillows, are from Walmart. If you're interested, I have one on my right that says grateful, the other one that says bless, and the two pillows behind it are from Burlington, and I'm going to do a close-up for you all. My family sign is from the dollar store. Yes, it is. Family's Forever sign is from Walmart. This clock is from Walmart, and the love sign is from Walmart. So this is basically the Walmart wall. On this beautiful table, the table is from American Furniture Warehouse. If you're interested, I have my beautiful flower arrangement, which is from Home Goods. So is the black world map is from Home Goods, and this beautiful blue and silver potpourri holder is from Goodwill. So right here is my entertainment center. This beautiful mirror is from Home Goods. The family and love sign, because that's basically what I have in the house. As I can see, that's a trend. Family is always and forever, and love is all you need is from Burlington or Ross. I apologize, I don't recall. Let's come closer. My orange pumpkin is from the dollar store. As you can see, I'm a silver girl. If you have gold, it's just a pop of gold. I prefer silver, especially in the living room downstairs, and gold is upstairs because that color matches better there. My world map is from Family Dollar. This pumpkin right here is from Goodwill. My floral arrangement is from Home Good. And this candle holder right here is from Goodwill. The candle, orange candle, is from the dollar store. And these orange, leaves are from the dollar store. So is that thankful sign. So we are on the other side of the living room, which is my entryway, so I can better show you where we were previously. My couch, because I know people will ask, is from American Furniture. These two couches, so all the pillows on there except for the fairy pillow. The fairy pillow is from Home Goods. My table is also from American Furniture Warehouse. Now what's on the table, guys, love, love, love it. These two candle holders are from Goodwill. Yes, I got really lucky. People wonder how, but I just did. My ginger jar is from Goodwill. And my floral arrangement is made by me from the dollar store. If you need your floral arrangement to pop, you need to get them multiple colors. All of the floral arrangement is from the dollar store. And the pumpkin on there is from the dollar store as well. It came as a set of 3, and I just went in and added them on the flowers. And my tray is from Home Goods. Now if we come here, this is the other side where I was standing at previously. Simple, nothing much to look at there. Now let's go into the entryway. If you can smell how my entryway smells right now, it smells so fallish. Just smells so cozy in here. I love it. My throw blanket is from Home Goods. Candle holder is from Goodwill, Candle Dollar Store. The home side is from the Goodwill. And what's funny, it's exactly in my state and exactly in my city. So this person lived where I lived, so they didn't want it anymore. It's mine now. My ornament is from Goodwill as well. It was brand new once I bought it, which was last year. And this mirror is from Home Goods. So we are in my entryway. My lamps are from Home Goods. My table is from Ross. These two pumpkins are from Dollar Tree from last year. The welcome sign is from the Dollar Tree this year. My wall art is from American Furniture Warehouse, and my 2 sconces on the wall are from Goodwill. I repurposed them. So yeah, guys, this is going to be all for my living room fall house tour. If you want to see the whole entire house tour, which will include my kitchen, outside, and everything, it's gonna be the previous video, and I can link it below for you guys. God bless you all. You have a great rest of the day and the season. Bye, y'all.